Date of sighting, April 2019. Location of sighting, Mount Asama, Honshu, Japan. This was reported on Twitter by a person that believed it to be a meteor strike into the mouth of a volcano. However, I have found proof that this is 100% two alien craft entering an underground base. How, you ask? Easy. I focused the smaller UFO to the left. The smaller UFO has outlines to it. As I added contrast, I saw that the object was a cube UFO. I also added contrast to the round meteor, and guess what? I found that within its center is a cubic UFO craft disgusting as a meteor. Look at this to see the actual craft within the fake meteor. Why pretend to be something you are not? They have rules, and to come to Earth and enter an underground base they must follow those rules. When they break those rules, there are always consequences that they must pay. Basically, they fear those consequences more than they fear humans seeing them. Kinda like the Star Trek Prime Directive, but these species are millions of years more advanced than the Star Trek crew.